Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some pretty fairy cards with you. So let's get started. So I have this bag of Easy 3D toppers with the Garden Fairies. And you know the Easy 3D toppers come from Hearty Crafts in Holland, and there are always 10 in each bag, and they have 3 steps. And look at these beautiful Garden Fairies. Beautiful, cute faces. And the flowers are just so pretty. So I made some cute cards and I had a lot of fun creating those. So let's see what I have. And I'm going to start off with some easel cards I created. So this is a die that I have, and I want to say this die is by Anna Griffin. I think so, yes. It could be Crafter's Companion. I'll check, I'll look for it and add it in the info box below, because I always get them confused. It's either Anna Griffin or Crafter's Companion. But this is a die, so I die cut my background paper and then also this front paper, and then I used a card blank, but I folded it so it became an easel card. And with this die comes the best wishes and butterfly kisses, which I thought was so cute. And it comes also with the die for the shadow that goes behind the sentiment. Same with this front piece. But I thought it was just perfect because it has these butterflies right here in the die. And then I thought this would make a great background for my fairy. And it even has the stitching, which I kind of like around. So yeah, this I really liked it. Now it comes with extra little dies for this butterfly. So here on the butterfly I also added some of these sparklets that I now have in my store. So they make just great little bling embellishments like I have added right here. Those sparklets are non-adhesive, so you use your own clear, dry adhesive. Okay, just wanted to share that with you. So yeah, so here is my first easel card, and of course it should stand just like that. Now I made a second one, and here it is. Just use different paper, but it's this very same card really. It is the card blank that I folded so that I have an easel, and then use the background, the same little butterfly, the sparklet to make it blingy, and then this beautiful fairy sitting here. Maybe it's an apple blossom or maybe a peach blossom. It's very pretty. So here are my 2 easel cards. But there's more. So up next I have this cute card, and very simple. I just added a piece of flower paper on a white card blank and gave the little fairy another flowered background. This is a piece of ephemera that I had in my stash, as well as this greeting, "You are one of a kind." This little border also came from an Easter pack that I had, so I added it. It is very colorful and busy, but I think it works. And here is this cute fairy, lightly glittered. Look at her cute shoes. Blossom shoes, that's really what they are. It is so super cute, and this butterfly of course finishes it off. So what a gorgeous card for a birthday for a little child. And then I also have another one right here with the bluebells, and I used the English Garden background paper from the English Garden Pack. I have this butterfly, again with a little sparklet on there. I used a fan. This die is by Anna Griffin, and if you know me, you know that I use up all these little leftovers on my sticker sheets. So these are just little dots that stay over once you take off all the stickers, and I use them as bling on my cards while I throw them out. But isn't it just gorgeous? I love the fairies. I'm just in love with fairies. I have a garden myself, and I can imagine how they fly around the flowers. So since we're speaking of fairies, there's a couple of other things. I have these glitter stickers in my store. These are fairy stickers, and I think they're 12 stickers, and look how highly glittered they are and so pretty. So these are also fairies, and then you have them over here. So I wanted to share them with you. If you're into fairies, then these are really gorgeous glittered stickers. And also by Papercrafts, there is an ephemera pack full of fairy embellishments. Let's see if it's called the Fairy Garden, and you can just check a few and see, so you have an idea what comes here in this pack. So there's basically lots of flowers and butterflies and little sentiments, but of course there are the fairies. That you can add to your projects, your cards. Nicely cut out, very pretty. So I didn't work with them right now, but look how beautiful they are. And I really like the combination of, you have flowers and you have these medallions, and you add a little fairy and maybe a little butterfly, and then a sentiment. So this is by Papercrafts, and it's called the Fairy Garden. I hope you liked my fairy cards. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment in my box below. Also subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a new subscriber. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please stay healthy or become healthy, and I will catch you next time. Bye!